Hey students, good morning. How are you all? So today is Monday, so a new week, and we're gonna start with the very first subject, our English subject. Okay, so this is your English subject, English book on screen. So you have to open your English book and here come on page number 3 to 32 from your book. Okay, so students, first of all, we will do this worksheet. You come to know about the meaning of on, in, which we do previously, right? We revise all these terms on, in, under, next to, behind. Okay, we revise these terms because we do it in our spoken English class, right? And after that, we do a worksheet related to these. Fine. So you have to turn around your page, come to this page. Here you have to answer me where is the cat. Okay. So we have to find the cat, where the cat is. Fine. So before starting this worksheet, you have to write the date first. Okay. Today date is, what is the date today? Today is 25th, right? So here you have to write 2/5/25. The month is January, so here you have to write 01, and the year is 2021. Fine. So write this content. The day is Monday. That is the very first day of the week. Go outside, check the weather, and then circle the clip art. Fine? Okay. Before starting this worksheet, reading all those sentences, what we will do, we have to read these teacher and parents transactional process. Discuss the different pictures with the children. So as you see in this worksheet, there are different pictures with the content written below, है ना? हर एक पिक्चर के नीचे कुछ कंटेंट, कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं आपके लिए. So you just have to see the pictures and then pose simple question for the child to answer and build their vocabulary. Here, help the children to read the words in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, above, below. So you just have to read those sentences, as these sentences as reading will improve your vocabulary. Okay students, whenever you read a sentence, a word, तो उससे क्या होगा, आपकी vocabulary improved होगी. Fine. And then you just have to learn the meaning of those words, like above. What is the meaning of above? Okay, see the picture and come to know more about it. Fine. So we will start with the very first picture on this page. Okay, first of all, as I said you all the time, you just have to see the picture, observe what is there in this worksheet. Okay, and then come to read. Fine. So in this picture, what is there? See, there is a mat and there is a cat. So what you see in this picture? That this cat is on the mat. Mat के ऊपर है. ऊपर का मतलब क्या होता है? On. Fine. I told you पहले भी that whenever something is ऊपर, अगर कोई चीज किसी चीज के ऊपर है, above है, so we call it as on. Okay, so here the cat is on the mat. See, the cat is, where is the cat? Cat की position, you have to see the position of our cat. So the cat is on the mat. Mat के ऊपर है, right? On. Okay, here see this picture. Where is the cat? Now you have to take our cat very seriously. ठीक है, आपको cat को बहुत seriously देखना है that where is she. Fine. So here the cat is in the box. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. Box के अंदर है, right? Okay. Now in the next picture, so when something is in, जब कोई चीज किसी चीज के अंदर है and it is covered with all the walls, fine. So there we put in. Okay. Now here in this picture, see, this is a table, a big table, and the cat is under the table. Under means नीचे, है ना? So the cat is under the table. Here the cat is next to the horse. कहाँ है? बिल्कुल साथ में है, पास है. पास means नियर, नजदीक भी आप बोल सकते हो. सो द कैट इज नेक्स्ट टू व्हेन आई सेड दैट माय फ्रेंड इज नेक्स्ट टू मी. नेक्स्ट टू मी इज मीन्स मेरे साथ, फाइन, या मेरे पास. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज हियर. द कैट इज बिहाइंड द शेल्फ. यहाँ पर कहा क्या है? कैट, देर इज अ शेल्फ है ना, देर इज अ बिग शेल्फ एंड कैट कहाँ है? शेल्फ के पीछे. बिहाइंड मीन्स पीछे. इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड मी मतलब आप मेरे क्या हो? पीछे हो. वेन वी मेक रो फॉर द मॉर्निंग असेंबली में वेन वी मेक लॉन्ग रोज है ना, तो उसमें क्या होता है? वन चाइल्ड इज बिहाइंड द अदर चाइल्ड एंड when then next child came, so वो उसके पीछे होता है ना. तो behind का मतलब क्या होता है? पीछे. फाइन. सो द कैट इज बिहाइंड द शेल्फ. कैट कहाँ है? इस शेल्फ के पीछे है. फाइन. ओके, और पीछे का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? फ्रंट, आगे. सो इन दिस पिक्चर कैट कहाँ है? चेयर के आगे है, इन फ्रंट है. इन फ्रंट मीन्स फ्रंट का मतलब मैम ने आपको अपोजिट में भी बताया था ना, आगे. सो द कैट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द चेयर. चेयर के आगे है. फाइन. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट. सी, दिस इज द कैट. सो हेयर यू हैव टू कलर इट ब्यूटिफुली. आपको कलरिंग करनी है एंड मेक योर कैट ब्यूटिफुल. फाइन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. अब इस पिक्चर में आप देखो द पोजिशन ऑफ कैट एंड ऑन द सीट. यहाँ पे सीट पर क्या है? माइस है ना. सो कैट का है, द कैट इज above द माइस. यू हैव टू रीड दो sentences loudly, okay, to improve your reading. So where is the cat? The cat is above the mice. Cat कहाँ है? mice से above है, ऊपर है. देखो, see, this is the mice, right? ये mice है और ये cat है. तो cat कहाँ है? mice के साथ तो नहीं है, mice के से ऊपर है, above है. above means ऊपर. So the cat is above the mice. Okay. और mice कहाँ है? below. below means नीचे. The mice are, see, there are not one mice. There are many mice. So the mice are below the cat. Mice जो है वो cat से below है. Below means नीचे. Okay. So now you come to understand what is the meaning of particular words. Above होगा तो ऊपर, below. If we use below in the sentence, that means नीचे. If we use behind, तो behind का मतलब होता है पीछे. And if we use in front, तो that means आगे. Done. So if now you will know the meaning of all these words, but how you come to know about it, how you learn it, when you do the worksheet related to it. Okay, जब आप worksheet के through इसको करोगे इस concept को, so you learn in a better way. Okay, so there is a worksheet related to the above concept. So we do the worksheet of this concept. Okay, and students, the previous worksheet is just a revision है ना, because हमने in, on, under ये concept हमने पहले भी अपनी spoken English session में करा था. So that's why I give you a 5 minutes revision of all these words meaning. Okay, so main worksheet is this, but बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वर्कशीट आपको प्रीवियस वर्कशीट करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज आपको रिकैप आप करोगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड देन यू कम टू दिस वर्कशीट टू डू it. Okay, to do the written task. Okay, fine. So here also you have to put the date first on top. Here you have to write the date. Okay, so today is 25th. So first of all you have to write date over here, and the month is January. It's 01. Year is 2021. So here you have to write the date, and the day is Monday. So circle the abbreviation. Go outside, check your weather, and then circle the clip art. Okay, what we have to do in this? There are sentences given to us, and there are the pictures. So what we have to do? We have to read sentences first अलाउड है ना, फटाफट से आप सेंटेंसेस रीड करोगे लाउडली, एंड देन यू हैव टू गेट द मीनिंग कि इस सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब है, और जो भी पिक्चर करेक्ट होगी उसको करेक्ट सेंटेंस के साथ मैच करना है. दैट इज सो इजी है ना. वी डू दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्कशीट मेनी मोर टाइम बिफोर. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. आई नो दैट माई स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी गुड, है ना. चलो, सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज डन फॉर यू. द r at rat is in the cap. रैट कहाँ है? कैप के अंदर. सो सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे, यहाँ पे देखोगे वेयर इज द कैप. दिस इज द कैप. एंड देन यू हैव टू सी क्या रैट है उसके अंदर. yes, there is a rat in the cap, so this one is the correct picture. तो इसको मैच करना है ना. तो जस्ट सिमिलर टू इट आपने सारे सेंटेंस रीड करने हैं, उसका मीनिंग अंडरस्टैंड करना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू मैच इट विद द करेक्ट पिक्चर. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, chalo, let's read the next sentence. Okay, here in this sentence, what is written? The pen is on. On का मतलब क्या होता है? ऊपर. The pen is on the box. Okay, so फटाफट से you have to look all the pictures. Where is the box? See, this is the box. Now, see, there is a pen. Yes, there is a pen on the box. So this one is the correct picture. You just have to match it with the correct picture. Okay, read this sentence loudly, because again and again I am saying, if you make a habit to read loudly, so it will improve your reading skills. Okay student, so I know my all students are very good. Okay, but you just have to try again and again ताकि आप और efficient हो. ठीक है, चलो, next sentence is the ball is under the chair. Now this is the sentence, you have to read it aloud. The ball is under the chair. Fine. Now look at the picture. Which one is the correct picture? We are talking about chair, है ना. In this sentence, what we are talking about? We are talking about the chair. So see, where is the chair? In this picture, there is a chair. And where is the ball? What is the position of the ball? The ball is under the chair. Fine. So this one is the correct picture. You just have to match it. Okay. Now it's done. You just have to come to the next sentence. Next sentence पे आप आओ. Read this sentence. Okay. Yes, you have to split the words and then you have to read one by one. The cap is under the table. So the cap is under the table. Now what we are talking about? We are talking about the table and the cap. So you have to see the picture. Where is the table? There it is, है ना. इस पिक्चर में आपको टेबल क्लियरली विजिबल है. एंड देन यू हैव टू सी दैट कैप इज अंडर द टेबल. कैप जो है वो टेबल के नीचे है. Yes, there is a cap, है ना. So you just have to match the sentence with the correct picture. Fine. So now the next sentence is the mug is in the tub, है ना. Where is the mug? The mug is in the tub. Now see the picture, which one is the correct? See, there is a tub, है ना. This is the blue tub. This one is the correct picture. You have to match it. Okay, fine. So the first half of this page is covered. Now you have to come to the next part. So let's read all these sentences as well. Okay, so the very first sentence is done for us. You just have to do the rest of the sentence similarly. Let's read this. Okay, what we have to do in this, we just have to read the sentence and put the tick on the correct word. ठीक है, आपको पिक्चर देखना है, then you have to ascertain that this one is the correct word or this one is the correct word. Whichever is the correct word, you have to put a tick on it. Fine. Chalo, let's read it. The cat is dash the dog. Now see the picture carefully, students. See the picture carefully. The cat is dash the dog. See, you have to see the position of cat and you also have to see the position of dog. See, the dog is on chair and the cat is above the table, है ना? cat कहाँ है? टेबल के ऊपर है और also above the dog. dog से ऊपर है. So here we put a tick on above. below तो नहीं है. if cat यहाँ पर होती, dog की position पे होती, then you will say that the cat is below the dog. but here कहाँ है cat? डॉग से ऊपर है. सो हियर यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक ऑन above, right? Okay, come to the next sentence. Now in this sentence, look the picture very carefully. I am saying it again and again. The cat is dash the horse. cat कहाँ है? Now see the cat. cat is next to the horse, है ना? cat साथ है. मैम ने क्या आपको बताया था, जब कोई चीज नजदीक होती है या पास होती है, so what we call, we said next to, right? so here you have to put a tick. the cat is next to the horse. next to the horse means उसके नजदीक है, उसके पास है, right? okay, now in the next sentence, the cat is dash the table. कहाँ है? now you have to answer me. don't look at the options because I want that you have to give me the answer. don't look at here on the options. ये होगा या ये होगा, है ना? try to give me answer without seeing here. so the cat is dash the table. now see, this is the table. cat कहाँ है? टेबल के नीचे है. तो मैम ने क्या बताया था, जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई भी थिंग किसी चीज के नीचे होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, क्या लिखते हैं? behind लिखेंगे या under? मैम under. yes, this one is the correct word. behind मतलब क्या होता है? पीछे. so cat पीछे टेबल के? no, the cat is under the table. fine. okay, here the next sentence is the dog is dash the postman. okay, the dog is dash the postman. now see, this one is the dog, he is the postman. so dog कहाँ है? behind the postman. postman के पीछे है ना? the dog is running behind the postman. postman के पीछे वो run कर रहा है. so behind is the correct option. fine. चलो, come to the next. here also the dog is dash the bones. dog कहाँ है? bones के पीछे है, right? so the dog is behind the bones. where is the dog? behind. these are the bones और dog का है? bones के पीछे है. next to तो नहीं है. dog is behind the bones. bones के पीछे है, right? and in this picture, see, this is the girl and जो dog है वो क्या कर रहा है? आगे आगे run कर रहा है ना? so the dog is dash the girl in front of the girl. girl के आगे है ना? and the girl is behind the dog, है ना? गर्ल जो है वो डॉग के पीछे है. बट अभी यहाँ पे किसकी बात हो रही है? डॉग की बात हो रही है कि वेयर इज द डॉग? द डॉग इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गर्ल. गर्ल से आगे है. तो जब हम आगे की बात करते हैं तो वी कॉल इट एज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गर्ल. ओके, so this is your today worksheet. you just have to do it. then okay, I'm giving you some time, then we will come to your next subject. Okay students, let's come to your next subject, which is creative. so this is your blank sheet. you just have to bring out a blank sheet with pencil and